Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Plant Fanatics. Today I'm going to talk to you guys about one of the most cold hardy citrus on the planet, so stay tuned. So I'm in plant hardiness zone 7, teetering on zone 6, and we get pretty cold here. We can get, usually we'll get down to about 15 degrees, but we could get down to 0 degrees in any given winter. But with the winter storm that just passed through, we got all the way down to negative 15 degrees, which is unprecedented territory for where I live. And I just planted this Yuzu citrus tree here last year. And to get down to negative 15 degrees, I thought for sure this thing was going to be dead, but it's actually not. If you come close here, I'll show you. So you can see in this little area here, that is definitely dead. I mean, you can tell there's no life in that branch at all. But as you keep going down just a little bit here and down into here, it's completely healthy. I took a matter of fact, I'll show you really quick. If I just take my knife and, sorry, this thing's really thorny, and I just shave the bark like that, you can see that's perfectly green and healthy and ready for some more growing. So if I just prune this thing back a little bit, there will be some buds in here that'll come out and it'll grow again. But to be able to say that a citrus tree survived a zone 5 winter temperature is pretty crazy. So I can definitely say, they say this is cold hardy to zone 7, and I can vouch for that at this point. So if you guys want to grow a citrus tree in zone 7, you should definitely go with a Yuzu. It has it's not necessarily a fresh eating citrus. It's going to be more something that you use in your cooking. The peel is very aromatic, but it does have some fruit in there, a little bit of juice. And it doesn't taste bad. I've actually bought some from a local grocery store, and not a bad citrus at all, especially when we're talking about being able to grow it in a colder zone like this. So this is a Yuzu. There's another citrus tree that's called a flying dragon. Doesn't have anywhere near the edible fruit that this will have. So I highly recommend getting this Yuzu if you live in zone 7 or up. And like I said, it just survived negative 15 degree temperatures. I actually did wrap it up a little bit with just a cheap Walmart tarp, and then I put a trash bag over it to keep it dry when it rained afterwards. But then we removed it, and it's looking pretty good. Definitely suffered a little bit of winter dieback, but not as bad as I thought it was going to be. I thought this thing would be dead all the way to the ground. So get a Yuzu, plant it in your yard, and grow some citrus in a colder planting zone. Thanks for watching this video, guys.